Hey, riddles lovers! Welcome back to Triddle Cat, where today, we're putting your brain to the ultimate test with some tricky riddles. Think you're smart? Let's find out. 1. What has a neck but no head? Answer: a bottle. It's a classic riddle. 2. What comes down but never goes up? This one might be a little trickier. What could it be? It's rain. It falls from the sky, but never goes back up. How are you doing so far? 3. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? Think carefully about this one. It's a bit mysterious. Did you figure it out? It's an echo. It repeats what you say without needing a mouth or ears. 4. What has to be broken before you can use it? This one's a classic. Any guesses? The answer is an egg. You have to crack it open before you can cook it. 5. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? This one might stump you. What do you think? It's a candle. It burns down as it gets older. Clever, right? 6. What gets wetter as it dries? Ready for another one? This one's a bit sneaky. It's a towel. It dries you off, but gets soaked in the process. 7. What has a head, a tail, but no body? It's a coin, a head on one side, a tail on the other, but no body in between. 8. What has a thumb and 4 fingers but is not alive? Here's one you might use every day. What could it be? It's a glove. It's got a thumb and fingers, but it's not alive. 9. What has many teeth, but can't bite? Don't let this one scare you. What could it be? It's a comb, full of teeth, but thankfully, it can't bite. 10. What can you catch but not throw? Here's one that might leave you feeling a little chilly. Got it? It's a cold. You can catch it, but you definitely don't want to throw it around. 11. What has hands, but can't clap? Time's running out. What has hands, but doesn't clap? The answer is a clock. It's got hands, but they're not for clapping. 12. What's always running but never breaks a sweat? It's a refrigerator. It's always running to keep your food cool. 13. What has one eye but can't see? Alright, this one's a bit sharp. What am I talking about? The answer is a needle. It has an eye, but it doesn't see. 14. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? It's a stamp. It stays in the corner of an envelope, but can travel anywhere. Here's the last riddle. 15. What has feet, but no legs? This one measures up in a unique way. Any ideas? It's a ruler, feet for measuring, but no legs to walk on. Great job, everyone. Share your scores, and challenge your friends. And if you enjoyed this quiz, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quizzes like this.